Hello my dears, welcome to episode 12 and I'm gonna start from high limit juggling slot machine. It has a crazy grand jackpot. Let's go for it. Check this out. It's 143,000 for the grand and let me insert my $2,500 ticket. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm back to Cosmo. Alright everyone. And let's start with $5 dinam, $25 bets. On $5 dinam we have a pretty cool progressives. 62.50 for minor and 12.50 for mini. Are you serious, Panda? Where is your magic? Come on, brother. All winning, that's the 6 numbers. And then to get another 9 numbers to hit the grand jackpot. So easy. Also on $5 dinam we have 5 pay lines. Can I get a double shot plus Azul reposado with 2 buys? Thank you. Come on, machine. Let's get the first grand jackpot for today. And the biggest number that we can get is a 250 times of the bet. Also, we can get a random major and random grand jackpot when this reel stops. So after that, it can make us some ring-a-ding, and we get a major or grand. Let's do a couple $50 bets. Come on, boy. Show me the power of your voice. Let's go back to 25. That's not good. Alright, if it doesn't pay, let's do some $40 bets. On $2 dinam we have a 2,500 for minor and 500 for mini. So we have a 10 pay lines. Almost there. Come on, wake up, Dragon Cash. Let's get the biggest win for this season. Let's do some 60. Come on, wake up, boy. It's a bonus time. Uh-oh. Let's do $10 dinam, $50 bet. Look at these beautiful numbers. Come on, drop 6 or more. Like this. Maybe like this. Oh my goodness. That was quick. Okay, little something. Okay, guys, let's try one more time. Here we go. This will be $5,000 for this episode. On $10 dinar, we have a $2,500 for mini and $12,500 for minor. This is dollar dinar, $50. Come on, time to get that amazing jackpot. Okay, $510. Let's do 2 spin on $100 max bet. Come on, make a miracle. I will do one more. Okay, let's go back to 50. Hey, what's up, man? Nice to meet you, buddy. Come on, I just meet to my powerful subscribers. It means it's a bonus time. You can't mess up with that low. Come on. It's a powerful rule. Whenever NG meets to his powerful subscribers, always bonus awarded. You gotta be kidding me. Let's do $75 bet. Come on, baby. Three lantern or 6 number? That's not fair. One more. Holy shoot. What the heck is going on? Oh my god, look at this one, guys. That could be a huge jackpot. This machine was horrible. Two spin on 75. Okay, let's leave the machine, guys. That was very shameful. Not a one single bonus after 5,000. Now I'm gonna try IGT machine, but which game? Can you guess? I think I'm gonna try Lobster Mania. Let's check out the progressive jackpots. So guys, we are down 5 grand already. Let's have a beautiful comeback. See how much is the progressive jackpots. I had a lot of amazing run on this game. So, alright. Wow, this mother load level jackpot is huge, guys. Over 100 grand. Okay. Max volume. And let's start with $60 bet. It's a class as a representative. Thank you. Cheers, everybody. All right, show me the power of your jackpot. There you go, we got the ball. Alright, so which one to pick? Just give me a second, guys. I'm gonna think which one to pick. I'm gonna go for, I think, 3 games. Which one? I always go for that Lucky Larry's bonus. So I would like to give a shot on this time on free game. Alright. Let's go. $60 bet on free games. Let's see what we get. Come on, buddy. Where is those whites? We can get those stock of whites, guys, and get a big win. So far, nothing. Wow, that was horrible. That was really horrible. Finally, we got some bonus and it paid now $40. Alright. Hey, what's up? Good, good, thank you.
Let me rub some of that good energy, huh?
Yeah, good luck.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Because we both that goofy down tonight, man. You know what I mean?
Kill it, bro.
The double G's represent winners, man.
Yeah, bro, for sure.
Get it, get it.
Oh, come on. We need those progressive jackpots next to each other to get one of them, guys. We are gonna get it. I have a good feeling. Oh, one away. Come on. 400 line. Come on, machine. Wake up. Hey, John. Let's do a few spin Harley 20. Come on, baby. Let's bring back the power of NG. Final spin on Harley 20. Come on, machine. Unbelievable. Are you serious, machine? Okay. Let me try Princess of Paradise. And how much is the multi on this one? I think it says 60 or 45, I don't know. 45. 345, okay. Let's get some powerful line. With the 5 flowers for 5 free spin or 6 for, oh, that's a nice one. For 10 free games. We can get a big win also during just regular spin with powerful line hits. Come on, baby. 5 of kind of this Princess of Paradise. It's 30 grand. Girls, it's 7,500. All the other pictures is 3,000. Thank you, brother. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, 330. Come on, let's feel the power of your first jackpot, man. You are paying 7,500, not the one single jackpot or nice bonus. Ooh, look at this one, guys. One more picture here. That will be powerful jackpot. Uh-oh. That is very shameful machine. Just want to let you know. Let's do $90 max bet. Come on, make a miracle. Just one beautiful line it and that's it. Let's try it one more time. Wow, guys, that's not good. Just a second. Doesn't take the ticket, guys. Alright. Let's go. $90 max bet. Oh man, are you serious? Look at these girls. Alright. Oh my gosh. Come on, man. That could be massive, guys. Now $90 bet.
Sorry to bother you, bro. I watch your videos.
Thank you, bro. Thanks so much.
Good luck.
Thank you, buddy. Big shout out to all my powerful subscribers, guys. Hopefully, these powerful subscribers will bring me good luck. Come on, honey, give me some money. That's not cool machine. There's a 6, actually it's a 90. There's a 60. Alright, finally spin. We can do one more on 30. Let's do another one on 30. Cash out. We are looking for one beautiful winning machine. Which one to try? Let's shop piggy bank. Here we go. Let's try piggy banking. Let's start with 10 cents and $50 max bet. Come on, winner just 6 piggies or 3 back. There is 131,000 for grand and 17,500 for major. Come on, 6 or more fatty piggies. guys, we can get the bonus. Let's do 75. Come on, my friend. Wake up. Oh, shoot. Can you drop those bonus symbols, please? Let's do $50 bets. Let's try a 20-cent $50 bet. I don't know, guys, to keep playing or not. That's not fun on this way. Uh-oh, that's not cool. I'm gonna use my point play. Actually, no, I'm not gonna use my point play. It's a $20 bet. Wow, that was almost there. And I will try just one more machine. Oh, we got a lucky chance man. I will try. Black Widow. Let's try Black Widow on this machine. Here we go. Just a second, guys. I will do $5. Oops, that's a $10. $5 dinam, Black Widow. So we are down 10,000 already. All right, it's a combo pack. Thank you. It's okay, no worries.
If I made it, it would have come out right the first time.
Thank you, dear. Okay, guys. They just brought wrong tequila. They thought can messed up with Angie's taste. You wrong tequila. All right, here we go, guys. $75. Come on, baby. Your most favorite Angie's here. This is one of those games that we can get the beautiful wins just with line it. Doesn't make me? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Guys, it's kind of weird. I can't get a big win. Come on, we have to get it, buddy. This is 10,000 for this session, and we had only one horrible bonus. Only 45 bucks. Let's do 150. All right. Come on, keep the nice work. Full screen girls pays 50 times, all the other pictures 25 times over the bet. Come on, buddy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Little something. Let's do 75. Alright, 1125. Let's go back 150. Come on, Black Widow. Let's get the 100x jackpot. Or just 250x jackpots. Very nice. Alright, looks like she's coming back. The most powerful slot player. Let's go. We just need a couple back-to-back line it and that's it. Cheers, guys. Come on. Just keep them coming. Another 15 on it. Seven more like this will be break even. Alright, now just one full spin. And let's go, my dears. Shout out to the big jackpot. This is his most favorite slot game. Oh man, that would be so nice to get that $150 bet bonus. Let's do some 75. Like on this same machine, I had a couple times amazing run on the Black Widow with $5 denom and like $150 spins. Okay, 250. Let's go back to $150 bet. Come on, baby. Let's bring back the power of NG. Alright, 600. Come on, machine. You can do it. Free game is super fun, guys. It can pay massive or nothing. Very nice. Come on, baby. Back to back with nice line-ins. Once again, welcome, guys, to episode 12. Hope everyone has a fantastic day. Come on, honey, give me some money. Let's go. Full screen of these girls. Oh my goodness, really? There's a $25 bet. Come on, this is that powerful bet. Let's do it. Alright, there you go. 22.50. Full skin would be 11,000 bucks, guys. 11,000. Actually, yeah, 50 times over the bet. 11,250. Here we go. Oh, back to back would be nice. I'm more than sure we can do it. Let's get to that jackpot. Powerful jackpot. Oh my goodness. I thought we got it, guys. Shoot. That was so close. There's the one more on 225. Alright, let's go back to 150. Come on, machine. Let's do 75. Maybe $2 dinam and $90 max bet. Let's try a little bit on this one. Oh, it's 120. Come on, baby. That's not fair to playing so much without one nice win. Alright, it's a little something. Come on, man. Let's do $90 bets. This is unbelievable, guys. Alright, on my last win. Come on. Alright. You're gonna be kidding me. Let's do 120 again. Okay. Guys, what you think about these slot machines payouts? I love to show the reality of slots always. Everybody knows how bad or good slot machines can be. Please always make sure to gamble responsibly and play the money that you can afford to lose. Come on, baby. One full skin of these girls. Let's do $90. One more spin. Another one just in case. Okay, guys. I will try dollar dinam, Noah's Ark. Guys, I do my best that we can have some nice sessions, but it's not working. All I can do is just give it my best try. I am disappointed also when the machines playing are so bad. Let's do $60. Like, what's the chance to play so much with only one free spin, which paid us only $140? That's definitely not normal. I will try just one more time and that's it, guys. Alright. This will be 15,000 and I will try my favorite game. Ferris, where is the Ferris Fortune? It's here. Love this guy. He's a powerful guy. Now let's have that crazy comeback. $60 max win. We need those pharaohs on the first 3 reels on the pay line to get that beautiful scores. I still have the record-breaking jackpot on this game last 2 years. Like almost 30 grand, guys. It was like 2 years ago around, I think, on my one of live streams. Come on, baby. You know who is NG. So give me another powerful bonus, baby. I can't pick so many bad machines. One of them should be beautiful. I think 5 kind of these Ferris fortune pays 1,000 times of the bet. Come on, Ferris. Show me the power of your bones. You know what? Let's try an auto file with them, guys. This is not normal, my friends. Okay. I'm gonna try high stakes. There we go. All right. 650 spin. Also, let me activate my point play. Maybe it will change something and will bring me good luck. Let's see how much we have. So there's a $573. All right, I'm gonna activate this 573, and here we go. And here is a progressive jackpot. I forgot to show you. All in, that's a 3 suitcases or just $6. Those are the free spin or lightning link feature. There you go. It brought me good luck. So let's go find this. Please take a second and smash that thumbs up for your NG. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon that you get all the notifications. Let's go. 60 to 50 spin box. Give me that big chip. Alright, that's a nice one. Come on, buddy, big number. Alright, we got it, guys. That's a baby one, but we got the golden spin feature. That's a good one. We can get up to 100 times of my bet numbers. So let's go. Fill it up, 6 more. Are you serious? That's 375, alright. Actually 350. Come on, back to back, buddy. Drop it. Nope. Guys, this is crazy, man. This is absolutely crazy. So 10 cents, $50 max bet. We still have a $23 on free play. I mean point play. Alright, we are done with point play. Let's do dollar dinam, $75 bet. Okay, another one. And the most powerful bonus, right? Let's go. $75 spin bonus. Bonus number 2. Come on, buddy. Let's get a nice number. Or a progressive check. Are you kidding me? Alright, on my last one. Finally, guys. Finally, we got something. Let's go. I'll keep dropping those nice numbers. Alright, 15 on it. Major, that's a you. Holy shoot, guys. We killed it. We killed it. Oh my goodness, that's a massive, guys. Alright, let's get the last one, buddy. Come on, please. Just one time in my life. Come on. The last number for 123,000 grams. Oh, wow, guys. That's a massive jackpot HANDPAY. This is my second biggest HANDPAY jackpot on this game. Hell yeah. The power of NG came back. Very nice. 6,600. We got like 14,000. Holy shit, guys. My dears, make sure to go to iOS and Android right now. Download NG Slot App. We have a lot of new games. And more new games are coming by end of the year. Just play, have fun without spending any penny, guys. You get free coins every 2 hours and every 24 hours. Guys, that's like 16,000. And who is the best singer of all time? Let's go. Dana night, dana night, dana night, 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 dana night, dana night. Hell yeah, guys, 16,630 bucks. Guys, this was a crazy comeback. I can't believe this. We did it. All right. Oops, I pressed wrong button. Just a second, guys. All right, guys. I just activated my fast pay. So back to the crazy spin. This was a great decision to leave the high limit room, guys. This was a great decision. I was down 15,000, now I am up 30,000. That's a holy shoot comeback. Let's go back to 25. And this is the power of NG. Two more spin. I will do 3750. Let's do 25. 1250. Cash out. Hold on. One more spin on 5. Cash out 17,600. We are up 2,600. Please, let's get the 16,000 likes for this super powerful session, guys. It's not gonna cost you anything, but you will support your NG. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this really super crazy session. I think this is the biggest win for this season. I think so. Love you, my dears, and I will see you tomorrow during episode 13. Have a fantastic day, everyone.